Good morning everyone. Myself Manan and today our project is IoT based auto car parking with EV charging point. Again myself Manan and these are my partners.
Hi, I am Ganesh.
Hi, I am Samar.
I myself Sanyam.
I myself Jasmine.
Let me tell you something about our project. It is mainly designed to manage the car parking spaces automatically and provide the electric vehicle charging facility. Our goal is to save the time and reduce the human efforts. The components mainly used in this project are a microcontroller Arduino Uno, some sensors like proximity sensor, IR sensor and servo motor and also a battery cell and a high voltage power supply.
Let me show you about the gateway system. Firstly, the proximity sensor sends the car when the car comes here, then gives signal to servo motor. If the parking is here available, the gateway will open automatically. If the parking is not available, the gateway will remain closed. And these LED light shows about us the parking availability. If the light shows red color, means the parking is not available. If the light shows green color, means the parking is available.
IR sensors are present here which sense and detects the car present or not. And after detecting, they shows the light here. IoT connectivity is also here that shows with the connected Wi-Fi notification the slot is empty or not.
Our project also has EV charging points, which shows the car can be charged electricity by the display light shown here. These show which the car is charging or not.
It has a lot of advantages. It helps in time monitoring and remove traffic in parking area by giving us notification earlierly that the slot is empty or not.
Automatic IoT based EV charging parking makes India prosperous by boosting economy, creating jobs and building infrastructure which leads to a cleaner, smarter and self-reliant nation.
Our project is indigenous also because all the software, hardware and all the material used here is made from the Indian industries also.
Our project is also vocal for local as it builds the sustainable and self-reliance EV ecosystem in India.
It also supports self-reliant India also by using because the products used in it are manufactured from Indian local companies, and it also make jobs for engineers also in future, and it also helpful for many things also.
Thank you.